Alright, in this video we are going to talk about reading the key depths for either your own keys that do not have the code or numbers or cuts printed on it, or a customer's key, right? So you can obviously just go in and take your guesswork, but in this case we are going to just use our guide. So we have a KW10 key blank. It's a customer's key. KW10 is the same as a KW1, except it has an extra cut. So the way we read these is from bow, this part of the key is called the bow, to the tip, not from tip to bow. Right? Because when we insert the key into the cylinder, we're going to rekey from the bow side to the tip, to the end. So it's being read from bow to tip. So you're going to insert your key right here and slide it right, not where the points are, but where those cuts are made, where the cuts are deep in. That's what you're measuring. So that means that the first cut right now is showing in between a 1 and a 2. So when something like this happens, you would try 1 first and then you would try 2. I think it's a 2. I think this right here is a 2. Then we go to the next cut. It's another 2. Then we go to the next cut. It is a 5. Then we go all the way back to the next cut. It's a 3. But after that is a 3. So going back, we have 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 3. So that's 6 cuts. So we read all 6 of our cuts, and then we could go ahead and go rekey it. And it's the same exact method for Schlage, Yale, Arrow, Weiser, Master Lock, West Lock, and C-Core, of course. This tool also comes with the C-ring removals right here, but I find it's just a lot easier to use a tool like this or a little flathead or any other C-ring removal tool, to be honest.